Shri Venkatesha Dwadashanama Stotram. Let us chant the 12 holy names of Lord Venkateshwara every day morning. The diseases and evil spirits dare not enter. Lord Brahma taught this stotra to sage Narada. Asya Shri Venkatesha Dwadashanama Stotra Mahamantrasya Brahma Rushihi Anushtup Chandaha Shri Venkateshwaro Devata Ishtarthe Viniyogaha.
Narayano Jagannatho Varijasana Vanditaha Swami Pushkarini Vasi Shankha Chakra Gadadharaha Pitambaradharo Devo Garudasana Shobhitaha Kandarpakotilavanyaha Kamalayatalochanaha Indirapati Govindaha Chandrasurya Prabhakaraha Vishwatma Vishwalokesho Jaya Shri Venkateshwaraha Etadvadashanamani Trisandhyam yah patennaraha Daridrya dukkha nirmukto Dhanadhanya samruddhiman Janavasyam rajavasyam Sarvakamartha siddhidam Divya tejas samapnoti Dirghamayuscha vindati Graharogadinashancha Kamitartha phalapradam Iha janmani saukhyancha Vishnu sayujyamapnuyat. Iti Brahmanda Purane Brahmanarada Samvade Shri Venkatesha Dwadashanama Stotram Sampurnam.